building the system, of course, what we're finally delivering is a configured system, a system that has been tweaked and tuned and configured and matched, et cetera, to what's in the blueprint to realize that. So what happens is this guy from number 2 is, in fact, the one down, if you will, for what happens in number 3. Okay? In number 4, again, we talked about essentially getting ready, but that also means testing this going forward and testing it to your satisfaction that you are confident that this is going to support your business. It's not entry point consulting saying, okay, we're going to exercise the system, we think it's ready to roll, good luck, but it's really joint testing and working through that, the technology, business users, analysts, et cetera, going forward. And then, of course, there's all the things around deliverables from this, which is a system that is live, with the appropriate documentation, training, everything necessary for people to be able to carry this off. So one of the questions that we get all the time is, what is the blueprint? Okay? And in a nutshell, it is a detailed document which really lays out how all the pieces fit together, how the business works, how it's going to be realized, and your business processes, how they work today, and how we can leverage what you've done and move it into SAP business practice world so that greater efficiency, et cetera, can be achieved. And again, that's leveraging all the great things that we do today. In terms of the processes and functions, it really shows for each thing, each set of work that you do. When you process an order, when you process a shipment, when you cut an invoice, what is the process that you do for each? So it gets down to that level of detail. And of course, that's what we're talking about the finance and purchasing people in terms of what they do, logistics, call center, stores, etc. And that's the level of detail that we get to. We also talk about data in terms of how you use that. Again, it's not a technology, pure technology view. It's what kind of data do you need in your current system to run logistics? Then what do you need to move over to the new system? What do you do that? Do you need to add anything to do that? So these are the key things that we look at. So again, this is the key thing in terms of driving what actually comes out of the hopper, if you will. This is the blueprint, if you will, is the recipe, and realization is the cooking. Okay? And then going live is if you will,